Okay, so this video will go through some of the models that we have as far as for the cell organelles. So with this model here, we have the three parts of the cells that we can see. So the outer portion here represents the cell membrane. On the outer part, we're going to have the cytoplasm, and then we will have the nucleus here in the center. So each cell has three requirements, and that's going to be cell membrane, cytoplasm, and then going to be the nucleus. And then depending on how the questions and the labels show here in the lab, we'll be labeling the different parts of that. And so on our model here, these represent the smooth ER. And so these the rough or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And they're smooth, and in lab you could rub your finger across them, they're going to be smooth. They're not going to have the little bumps that these ones do. So this is the smooth. This makes the fat, where the fat synthesis is going to be for the cell. These structures here will be our rough ER. And they look very similar to the smooth, except for they're going to have this red confetti on them, and that red confetti represents the ribosomes. So we'll have those on the rough ER here and here. We'll also have ribosomes here in the cytoplasm. It's where the protein synthesis will occur, and so we'll have the rough ER, and then we'll have the ribosomes. These orange bean-like structures here are the mitochondria, the powerhouse portions of the cell where we make the ATP. We have these candy cane-like structures here called the centrioles. Those ones play a role in mitosis and then will migrate to the different poles of the cell to help pull them apart. Here we have the Golgi apparatus on this cell. Again, so this is the nucleus. We have the nuclear envelope, which is this structure here, these holes with the nuclear pores. And we're talking about it in the lecture portion about transcription and translation, and the mRNA leaving the nucleus and coming out into the cytoplasm. These pores are going to be one of the avenues for that to occur. And then on the inside of the nucleus here, we're going to have this structure called the nucleolus, and then the chromatin, some of the dissolved genetic material that is inside and protected by that nuclear envelope. Okay, so this is the video on the cell membrane, or the cell structure and the organelles. And then the one thing that we don't see on here is the lysosome on this model, and there's circular bubbles that are going to be inside the cytoplasm that help to digest and to remove debris that gets inside of the cells.